Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabe. In today's video, we're going to be installing the GTS OLED tail lights on my 2012 BMW 328i. So I bought these tail lights from Mashimaro. Make sure you guys take them out. Let me take this card out because that has my discount on it. But yeah, the tail lights that I got were the GTS Tail Lights. They are the red V2, and I got them with no gold line. It honestly, guys, I bought these, today's Friday. I bought these Wednesday night after work. No, wait. No. I bought these Tuesday night after work at literally like midnight. All right. That next morning at like 7, I got a notification saying that it was processing. And then that same day on Wednesday, it said that they were shipped out. And then these things showed up at my house Thursday morning. The shipping with Mashimaro is insane. They did the same thing with my spoiler. I literally bought the spoiler the day before, and literally the next day, like, he had it at my house already. It was insane. So if you guys need anything, check out Mashimaro. I'm gonna be putting a discount code down below that you could use. It's gonna be my friend Dylan's account. I'll link his Instagram as well. So if you guys need anything from Mashimaro, just hit him up. He could get you guys very good deals. He could get you guys some good discounts. He could get you guys some hookups on things that you need to find. If you guys can't find them, you know, just shoot him a DM, shoot him a message, you know, whatever you got to do. Just check him out and make sure you support his build. So let's get right into this. We're trying something new. I bought a head mount, so that's pretty cool. All right, let's start doing this thing. All right, so step number 1 is we're gonna have to remove this trunk liner. Now there's gonna be some screws that we need to take out. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6. So let me go ahead and loosen all of these. Oh, that one's spinning in place. Oof, God. Oh, that's annoying. Just 2. The dog's always freaking barking, man. I just wanted to get the trunk liner off just because, I don't know, that's what I wanted to do first. I didn't really want to deal with the trunk liner. All right, got to take these off right here. Let me see how this is. Oh, so it's like a little clip. So let's just, okay, well, I don't even need to, so squeeze and it'll come off. Let me see this. Yeah, cool. So there's one. Let's do the other side because we're gonna have to do it anyways. Okay, so there's a little clip right here. Just push this up, and then if you guys want to remove this, squeeze it. These things are gonna pop out. Very easy though. You're just gonna grab a flathead, you're gonna turn it, you know, and take the piece out. Sometimes you just gotta pry up a little bit, and then you grab this piece and you pull up, you know, shake it side to side. All right, now put these with those. All right, and this stuff right here, make sure we clean that out. There's a rag. Make sure we clean this out. Jeez, man. I need to wash this car. All right, so this is clean or wiped down. Okay. So these are going to be two 10mm bolts, so we're gonna handle that. Where's my 10 mil? 10 mil. There's one 10 mil. Now I'm gonna put the hardware right here. One 10 mil, and number 2 is on its way out. Number 2. Alrighty, guys. And then all we do is we grab it and just finagle it out of there. I get so scared pulling on this thing. Ooh. All right. So you guys see this little ball? It goes into this rubber socket right here. So, you know, then here's our headlight connector, and we're just gonna push down on that little tab and release it. Let me. Oh, it's so dirty back here. All right, now we get that up. Now this is the back of the headlight. The monster. That is a monster. So if I remember, these are heat sinks for the LEDs. These are heat sinks. So this thing's gonna have 2 connectors, guys. These things are plug and play. So there's gonna be one connector that says for 2016 and up, and there's gonna be a next that says for 2013 and up. Obviously, this is a 2012, so we're just gonna use this one right here, and it should fit. All right, I'm hoping that it just, yeah, everything lines up, so it should be fine. Yeah, we should be chilling. We should be chilling. Yeah, all the connections. This is 4-socket connection, and this has 4 pins. All right, so looks like we're vibing. Sorry guys, I had to make sure, because then I would have recorded all this for literally no reason, but that would have been my fault. So what we're gonna do is there's this extra wire right here. Remember, this is your heat sink. We're gonna have to, you know, find a little spot for this. It has like some 3M tape right here. There's space down here, so what I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna put this down here, not too far down to where I can't freaking grab it, but we're gonna put it down there. So let's just check Boost video, make sure that, you know, we're doing that right.
But we did a rain connection for the sequential that we'll show you later. Right now we have 2 hookups. This one had 2015 with extra wiring right here.
All right, yeah, so let's just get this going. So we'll grab the connector. Oops. Okay. Make sure it is pushed in. I heard it click. I'm just pushing a little extra just to make sure. Peel this back a little bit. I don't want to take the whole thing off just yet, but make sure we peel it back. All right, now this is for the sequential lights. This is going to be routed through this little hole right here. So we're grabbing this, we're routing it through this little hole. I'm gonna pull this liner piece, and we're gonna route it all the way up to this column. It's gonna go into the other one. So, you know, we're gonna leave this one out over here. As for this, we're gonna have to stick it down here. So let me just see something really quick. So this is gonna go on like that. Boom, boom. Freaking scam call. It's gonna go on like that. Okay, well. So we're routing it through that hole. Alright, cool. Let me sit this right here on this bolt. Pull back this trim piece. Oh God, these trim pieces are... Pull this back. So, undo this tie. I hope you guys could see that. This is my first time using this head mount, guys, so I'm sorry if it's coming out weird. Alright, grab this wire. We're gonna feed it through this hole. And there it is on this side. Pull this through. Pull this through. Now obviously it's not going to be hanging out of this side, but I'm just pulling it through so I could clear some space for myself, because this is actually going to go in here, remember that. Pull this, pull this, pull this. Alright. That could tell me why painter's tape isn't good to use. I mean, you know, just let me know. But everything else is like heat shrinked and everything. All the wires on that, so you know. Okay. Cool. All right, I got our 10 mil, and we'll tighten this. My shoulder just popped. So this is tight enough. Looks tight enough. So it doesn't look like it's going anywhere.
All the way to where it almost comes out completely.
Okay. Gotta loosen up our 10. Oh, isn't that fun? Can't even reach the damn thing. That's loose. And then, let's see, this connector's gotta come out. So. Oh God, that was hard.
Drop it in. So, in order to break away from this.
Okay, I see. So this doesn't come off all the way. It only comes. All right. I see. It doesn't come out all the way, but comes out just enough. All right, on this clip. Oh Lord, that sounded like I freaking broke the damn thing. Okay. Wow. Well, here it is, and this is the clip he's talking about. So this thing goes right in here. What in the world, man? So much stuff on this. All right. All right. Okay, guys. I had the wrong side. Sorry about that. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay.
It came out through here. So we're gonna get that line all the way through. All right. So now what we're gonna want to do is get our cord.
All right. All this is gonna be covered by a trunk liner. So what I'm gonna do is we will put this right here. Everything seems seated into place though. This doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Who the fuck is that? Peel that 3M. Now we're just set right here. Put. So it's not dancing everywhere. Alright. Make sure I'm good on time. Have a dentist appointment today at 1 o'clock, so just gonna. Alright. Alright, well.
Very flush.
Guess now is the big reveal, right? Take my phone out. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is night and day, dude. Dude. We need to take a picture. Wow. Isn't that amazing? That is just amazing. It's amazing. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna get started on the other side. I'll come back to you guys once I'm done. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the tail lights done. Dude, this left tail light was so annoying. So I'm gonna explain, basically. There's these two clips that go on the smaller light. So this one right here. So I'll show you guys. There's these two clips. that you have to slide into the housing to hold it down. This plastic piece, then you tighten it and it secures it. The right side was perfectly fine, went in perfect. The left side, however, was a pain. I had to trim off some of the I guess that little insulation. I had to trim some of it just so I could go in, but eventually I just had my stepbrother push this in for me, and as he held that in, I tightened that plastic bit so that it could you know, it could go. And there's the neighbor's dog. I don't know what the hell she's doing here, but yeah, these things though, guys, take a look at this. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Hold on. Isn't that clean? I freaking love these things. So overall the install wasn't that hard. It really wasn't that hard. Everything was straightforward. It was honestly plug and play. The only thing that I will say is it's gonna take you a while to take off the trim pieces, you know, but hey, that's what comes with it. Sorry guys if today wasn't really like a tutorial video. I was honestly learning myself. They didn't put any instructions with these taillights, but there's nothing wrong with that, honestly, because it's super straightforward. Like I always say, you're literally redoing what you did. So we took them out and it's plug and play. You're literally just sticking them back on, and you know, they're gonna work. Plug and play. That's what it's all about. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that the head mount wasn't too confusing. These things look amazing. They honestly updated the rear end of my car. Like, this looks so much better, guys. It looks so much cleaner. I have to wash the car later, but it looks so much cleaner. Everything fit perfectly. So excited to show these off, honestly. So excited. Oh, there's a little bit of a thing. Oh, some glue left over right here. Hey, but it's fine. It's honestly, this was so freaking sick. Honestly, worth the investment, guys. Like I said, if you guys need anything from Mashimaro, hit my friend Dylan up. Honestly, hit him up. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be getting out of here because I have to eat and then I have to go to the dentist. There's gonna be a car meet tonight, so I'm gonna be charging the GoPro batteries up, getting my head strap ready, and then we're gonna head out there. I'm going with my girlfriend tonight, so yeah, I'm pretty sure by the time I upload this, so I'll upload this video first, and then the second video that I'll upload is gonna be the car meet video. So there's another car meet out here in Santa Clarita, so I wanted to install these before we go. And then I got a bump sticker, and yeah, we're gonna see what that looks like on the back of the car. But yeah guys, that was pretty much it. Peace and love, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, drop a like and share it with your friends. Again, sorry if this wasn't really like a typical tutorial video, but we had to I was just excited to install them. Honestly, I was just so excited to install them. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.